Classroom frameworks of education are good at delivering a fixed curriculum.
However, it does not develop all the aspects of human intelligence in a child, like me.
Formal education in a classroom is designed to develop only the spectrum of intelligence that is measurable.
The measurable outcomes are exam results, which is the focus of education today.
As human beings, we are born with multiple levels of intelligence.
We believe that a child's wider intelligence, including creative intelligence, needs to be nurtured and developed. Computer programming is a way to nurture their creative intelligence while empowering them with the skill sets for the future. Programming as a co-curricular activity can help children develop a more intelligent choice of specialization for their own future.
Python programming can help a child develop a genuine curiosity for life.
And become grounded in their own deepest identity rather than learning to give the right answers. We teach the students that there's more than one way to program and solve a problem.
And there is never one right answer.
This becomes a priceless quality in the way we develop every child.
And one which differentiates from the factory education systems of today.
Visit us on Facebook at Datalytics.